Hey guys, so Medium just came out with a new way to make money. It's called the Referred Memberships program, and it is basically where you get paid, you earn money every month when a non-paying member becomes a paying Medium partner member. You get about half of their regular monthly fee, which would be half of $5. So maybe about $2.50 possibly per month for every referral for as long as they stay active. So it's pretty darn cool. It's a new way to earn money on top of your monthly earnings from writing on Medium. So here's what you need to know. I actually just wrote an article about it. So check out Christopher Kokoski on Medium, and you'll be able to read this long article with all the details. But to find your referral page and link, you just go up to your profile picture, you come right down here to settings, you go to audience development, and then you go right over here to promote memberships right here. This is going to be your link that you can copy, and you can also post that anywhere to promote your affiliate. You can go to this view page, which is your referral page. And that's how you make extra money using this new referred member program with Medium. So make sure you check that out right away.